this was one of those grasping at straws strategies, and this was something they hung their hat on as trying to invalidate something important.
Yeah.
We didn't know that that was a thing, and so why is it now a thing that I have to pay attention to?
It's BizGlitch 112, and it's April 21st. There's a lot of 2s and a lot of 1s.
This glitch is near and dear to my heart because of an actual experience I went through that was not good.
Uh-oh.
It was very bad.
Uh-oh.
I can't say much about it because there were legal issues surrounding this particular topic, but suffice it to say, I learned a very valuable lesson, not only because did I trust the person I was working with and that we had a system in place and a process in place and legal and signed off on, but then this particular thing came back to haunt me.
Or as we also say, to bite on the butt?
Yes,
yeah,
yes. Okay. Let's not keep you in suspense any
because I'm chewing my nails.
The glitch is, do you have the proper protocols in place for your business to have your annual meetings? We have talked about this with regard to minutes and shareholder agreements. This is taking it one step further to make sure that you have this as a schedule procedure in your operations manual to cover, especially if you have partners, and mainly because you have partners in business. But I mean, you could still have a meeting with yourself and document it just in case for tax purposes or hiring purposes or whatever.
There's a lot of reasons.
A lot of reasons.
You know, with the SBA loans we worked on, I've given counsel to a lot of people after the COVID pandemic and about their loans and obligations for those loans. And one of the things I've advised them to do is, especially when it comes to using those federal funds and how they use them, I said, listen, you need to pay attention to this today while it's still fresh in your mind. Get your books and records together and create a memorandum into your minutes. Even if you are the sole shareholder of your corporation, the sole member of your LLC, have a meeting with yourself and get it on the record so that if you are ever audited in the future, voila, you've got it done, right?
Yes. Now, luckily, things turned out fine for me in the end, but this was one of those grasping at straws strategies about the annual business meetings that the business didn't have documented. We had meetings, but they weren't documented. And there was a lot of...
Basically saying, you know, I didn't agree to that kind of thing. And had it been in the minutes of annual meetings...
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. For the goal and actionable item, you want to revisit when you incorporated the business, get that book out, that binder that you get with all the papers, and when you had your attorney do bylaws or shareholder agreements and all those things, make sure, because they are in there. It's a blank page, but it says annual meeting.
Minutes.
And you want to make sure that you have that protocol in place and that you have a set period of time, whether it's the last quarter of the month or a specific month or whatever your fiscal calendar is. This is just so important.
You're protecting yourself.
Yes, because the thing is, and what I went through is, I thought I was with somebody that I trusted implicitly and that we understood one another. And, you know, and that's why handshakes and napkins don't work when it comes down to disagreements and money at stake. All of a sudden...
To be clear, she's not talking about me.
No, no. But that's it. So 112.
Tomorrow's 113. Which comes after 112 and is right before 114. We'll see you tomorrow. And I'm just gonna I'm just gonna throw this in there and show you something.